glad that we are very successful here, and I think more medals to come in the near future. No? Maybe with our senior athletes in the cabinet chairman. No? We're looking forward to an exciting rowing events in wala pala tayo sa Asia. Pero parang may mga Asian Games na mga events dito, pero wala sa Asian Games here. Ang rowing. Wala. Anyway.
Classic lang po.
Classic, yes. The classic, meron pong rowing, yes po.
That's what I meant.
Yes, po, meron po tayo.
Congrats again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for rowing. Maraming salamat sa pag-ibigay sa Philippine Rowing. Ang importante, na-realize natin na talagang ang sports is a great equalizer. Meaning, nagbabago ang buhay ng mga bata dahil successful sila sa sports. Hindi man lang nila naiintindihan yung larong rowing. Akala nila basketball, akala nila throwing, di ba kung ano-ano pa. Pero ngayon, itong nagdala sila. Buong probinsya ng Cavite, very proud. Buong LGU ng Ternate, very proud. Attorney Roy, sabi ko kay Kong Fritz, when we give the reward, we go to Ternate and give the reward in front of their mayor. Di ba? Tapos libre talaman pakainin kita.
Yeah. Yun, maraming salamat and congratulations sa ating mga rowing heroes. Babalik po ang message for next time. God bless everyone.